In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide whole numbers by two-digit divisors using the standard algorithm where the answer has a remainder. Remember to use the steps for division: divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. First, divide the greatest place value in the dividend by the divisor. The greatest place value is the 8 in the thousands place, but 8 cannot divide by 35 because it is less than 35. So we're going to look at the 8 thousands along with the 700s, and we're going to look at it as 87 hundreds. So we'll divide 87 hundreds by 35. 87 can divide by 35 two times, then multiply that 2 by the divisor, 35. 2 times 35 is 70. Put the 70 under the 87 hundreds in the dividend. Next, subtract 87 minus 70 is equal to 17. Compare the answer 17 to the divisor 35, and 17 is less than 35. If that's the case, you can move on to the next step. Bring down the next digit in the divisor, which is the 3 in the tens place. Then we'll start the division steps again from the beginning. Divide 173 by 35. 173 can divide by 35 4 times. Multiply the 4 by the divisor 35, and 4 times 35 is equal to 140. Now subtract 173 minus 140 equals 33. Compare the answer to the divisor. 33 is less than 35, so you've divided it enough times. Now bring down the next digit in the dividend, which is the 3 in the ones place, and start the division steps again from the beginning. Now we have 333 ones to divide by 35, and 333 can divide by 35 9 times. Next, multiply that 9 by the divisor 35, and 9 times 35 is equal to 315. Subtract, and 333 minus 315 is 18. Compare that answer with the divisor 35, and 18 is less than 35. There are no more digits to bring down, so the 18 that we have left is our remainder. So the final answer is 249, remainder 18.